But the question
Morning.
is, will
Morning,
the
guys.
dips get bought up if we
Morning,
start
morning.
pulling back,
Yeah.
or
What?
the
Morning.
question
Yes.
is,
No.
will
Morning,
That's
the
that's
guys.
that's
dips get
exactly it.
bought up?
Right. Like, do we have more juice in the tank today, or are we just gonna kind of come on down a little bit and kind of hang out? I don't know if I see
Yeah.
a huge sell-off happening.
No.
Um,
Like
so
Microsoft has to start, Apple, Nvidia,
Did you get that
yeah,
all of
60
these.
50?
Yeah, all of
Roz?
these have to start selling off for this shit to work to the
yeah.
Not
downside.
yet. Still waiting
I
for
think
some
Roz is
type
looking a
of,
little lower. I think.
yeah, right here, 50. I want a little bit of a trap right there. Oh, it's kind of
You
aggressive
just want
now
to just see
though.
that one candle just push there and nothing happens. Microsoft is starting to come down a little bit from that news high.
The 15
Nvidia
minute NQ looks really ugly right now.
Nvidia's
Yeah, that,
ripping still, but Microsoft is taking the opposite approach here.
and don't forget Microsoft has the most weight. Does it? Yeah, I think so.
No, I think Nvidia have the most weight.
Yeah, Nvidia.
Let
I
me
think
check.
it's Nvidia.
Nvidia's got the most weight, I think. Well, Microsoft's up there. Don't get me wrong. Microsoft is up there, and I think too that that push on the news is now starting to stabilize and normalize and come back down to kind of where it should be probably. Um,
Microsoft is second now. Nvidia's first.
I'm in amped.
How much up are we gonna go here?
that
Nice.
this was exactly the zone I was looking off at Amazon, but this 17 is exactly what I wanted to see on ES. See if we can now start getting going off that 17 on ES and back over this 22 area. Because that would be interesting to me.
I wanted to play that 27 rejection on ES, but I think obviously I missed that. I think now it's too
Mm-hmm.
late. But NQ is holding pretty good.
ES is getting questionable here now in this area
Yeah.
though.
I think I want to
would-
see
I don't-
pull back to like 2613.
Even though NQ
This,
is holding well, I'd be careful with ES pulling back that much.
Yeah, I'm with you. Like this is a spot for ES can hold for sure. This little area here, right into the 16 to 18, this spot we can hold, but that's a 2-minute doji there. I don't love it. I don't love it. I want to hold off. NQ looks good though.
Yeah.
That's the wild thing. NQ looks great right now. The way it's holding there, now it's pushing
Nvidia
back up and
pulling
through.
back, Apple pulling back. Damn, what's going on with
But yes,
Microsoft?
yes. AI OpenAI news this morning, something about some sort of thing.
Okay.
They pumped. Okay, that looks better
Insane.
on ES now. I'm curious if this 2-minute candle flips green, I may consider a long. Watching closely though, because I still don't necessarily love it.
see if overnight highs hold.
What a move on gold last night.
I don't like ES now.
Yeah, I think, yeah, this is not good for ES.
I think it's
No,
gonna go
ES doesn't
to
look good.
912 yesterday high.
I mean, ES just retested previous day high and bounced on ES, so I'd watch that. 69.16. If it can hold previous day high, I think it'll push up.
It's reacting. It's 7. Yeah. After
So this
market
is it.
high.
I wanted to see it.
What's that?
Right. So I wanted to see it kind of hold that. I mean, it's still kind of close, but I really wanted to see it hold this 17, 18 area, right? The candle movement on the 2-minute candles doesn't look good at all.
Amped, I thought PDH was 69.12.
Maybe on RTH, I guess. That's a
16
daily
I have
bar.
60 I have
previous day
69,
high.
16 and a half is what I have.
So you guys are counting the after hours, like the 14, 16,
I
45
use
hours?
both daily
Yeah.
bar and then RTH.
NQ looks good though. It's wild. NQ still looks like it has another leg in it, and ES is struggle city.
I mean, I might try ES long right here.
I like it for a short. I like this 918 reaction. Well, we'll see.
Ooh, gold. Okay. Oh, little slip. Gold into this. It's a little. I'm thinking if we get below this 15 now, we get a little pocket down to about 08, 010 in terms of volume. Get down into the 10-8 area. On ES, that is.
I think yeah, it's gonna go to 912. That's yesterday high, New York session.
Divergence is just so wild today between ES and NQ. NQ dancing over pre-market highs.
ES had like a little sweep. If we can reclaim previous day high, look nice. I'm long at 69.16. The 2-point stop.
Look at that
I'm
Apple
still watching the
move.
69.08.
Crazy. Yeah, Apple is gonna help you with that.
And Microsoft looks like it might be finally catching its footing there, which is kind of coincidentally the kind of the half cap of the move, right? The 50%, right? So 557 was the high, 533 we kind of stopped, 544, kind of 543. So kind of like right at the 50%. Seems like Microsoft is holding up. So that could also be good. You amped for sure.
Kind of rejecting it though.
Oh, 08 is really what I want to see, I think. Yes.
Yeah, ES reacting yesterday
Yeah, I
overnight
got
high.
stopped on ES.
Yeah, I'm on a short. I'm
Daily open
sorry.
on ES though. I might try it.
I like this down to 08.
I doubled down on ES. Yeah,
You
man,
did?
2 contracts at 69.14. Try the daily open long.
Come on, yes, give me 12.
Daily open in
Smart
the
with
15-minute 21 here, so we'll see.
The thing to me that I'll be watching too is I'd like to see. So you want 12. I think 08 is what we got to get to, or I think we can get down to 08. Now whether it does in one full sweep or not, I don't know, but I want 08, 25. Thing for me too is like if NQ starts rejecting, ES is going to plummet, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, there's a little bit.
I took some profits
Oh, I was
there.
hoping for more. I want a little more. Maybe I'm being too greedy. I don't know.
Famous last words.
You know, I know. You know what I found? And this is just me personally, not everybody. Like when I trade NQ, when I trade MNQ or MES, when I trade the micros, I get way more greedy. Like I want more.
Yeah.
Like it's like when I
Yeah.
trade big size, I'm like, that's good enough. I'll take that. You know what I mean? Like there's something there for me anyway that I've noticed that I kind of tend to
Yeah, that's the
get
thing with
into it.
macros. Macros are dangerous.
The hourly chart on ES looks pretty gross.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I want a little more. I want to get taken out yet.
I
I'm
took some
in at
profit at
15.
12
15
and
entry.
Come on,
I
gold. Come on, gold. Do it for me.
I took a couple micros off at 12 and a half. There's 2.5 points there. I want more though. I definitely want to get down into this. I'd like to see us get down to like 08 and a half. We got a little volume shelf there at 0794, 08 that I kind of want to see us get down to.
yeah, I'm just gonna keep moving my stop loss lower because yeah, I'm watching weakness
Just
here
trailing, yeah.
on Apple, Nvidia. So yeah, definitely if NQ is gonna go lower here, ES is gonna die.
Yeah. Take profits, break even now. Give me a little relief bounce.
Yeah, so we have a gap fill here to today's open till yesterday's close, New York session. Let's see if we're gonna hold here.
Yeah,
Oh,
nice.
yeah.
Nice. Okay, took a little more off at 10. Or even lower.
Okay.
You definitely don't want to take shorts on gold down here, though. You kind of missed the party.
Kind of like inversing myself, I think. I'm
Hmm?
long gold and long ES.
The coincidence. Okay, come on, give me a little more. Sorry, I was gonna talk and then I saw. Oh my God, give me a little more. I'm at 08 and a quarter. Don't do that.
All right,
Don't.
I'm out of that
Ah, we
trade.
did it. We out. Okay, nice. Oh, okay. Well, hey,
Beautiful.
how you
Okay, I'm
doing?
just gonna keep moving my stop loss lower, and I think I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm still in with one mini. Yeah. Oh, nope. This
Fantastic.
thing.
What a trade.
Okay, yeah, I'm done. Beautiful.
Nice short.
Beautiful. That was that was perfect, really. Like the ES, high. I don't know how you guys call it, but it was for me. It's pre-market high reaction. No, what's the high of? I'm gonna tell you the
Call it
time.
we call it the fancy zone
720.
rejection. Look at the zones on ES and NQ.
What?
Yeah.
Crazy.
What do you talk? What 69? Wow, NQ right into my zone in the 30s and just whoop. Okay. What a bounce there. Shoot, I was watching ES, son of a gun. It's the exact one I put into the chart earlier today. Just between kind of this 31 to 37, 38 area. It's a nice little spot, right? It's a 2-minute fair
That's
value.
why I
Again, on
like
the push up.
that's why I love limit orders.
Yeah, I should have left it in there. Although, if I'm being honest, I would have had it a little bit lower than where I would have had it closer to 35, and it actually stopped at 37. So I probably still wouldn't have got in, but that was the zone. Do you?
That was
Let me ask a
beautiful.
question, Amped. When you are you trading just minis or do you trade micros?
I've switched to micros on gold, but I trade minis
Okay,
on
on NQ and
yeah.
ES.
I mean,
Okay,
kind of
all right,
depends on the volatility.
sure.
Pri
Yeah, because
90% of the time I'm on minis though.
when I watch zones, I find that like I'm usually looking for about kind of halfway through the zone, and I miss the zone and go. So I've been trying to be three, and then three in the middle, where it's supposed to be. Just in case where I miss the
I'm
trade
usually
completely, but
limit
I don't want to
longing
go full size
either
of it.
50% of a zone where I'm limit longing key level, like pretty high or
Yo la madre.